PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell had this to say.
I want to tell the deputy mayor that if Ma don't come Prime Minister, I have to call me coward, because me and lift up here and left here too. The youth and them, you expect people out here, doctors and nurses and police to be working less than what a man working on a garbage truck in the state, and when you get up and go where to make life better for your family, you have the nerve to call him coward? You're out of order.
But when should Jamaicans put country above self or self above country? And can you be a patriot while living abroad?
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Now, how you guys feel about this? Jamaicans migrating, country above self, self above country. This is a program on JBS, JNIS, not JBC. And it's kind of funny because this is the name of my channel. And the statistics that's coming out of Jamaica, it's like a refugee status. Meaning that in the year 2019, nearly 12,000 people leave Jamaica for better life abroad. And the JLP deputy mayor in Mobile, the worst city in the world, he's saying that people coward and them are run from Jamaica. Now, I don't think that's a fair statement at all. And it's just kind of ironic because me personally, countryman, I love Jamaica. And I would love to show my face and do enough things for Jamaica. But at the same time, I know if I step up and show my face and talk certain things, I'm going to be targeted because of the system. The Prime Minister even came out and made certain speech that people should build, but them have to put the right thing in place. I am going to play another clip and look at the statistics of people leaving Jamaica. And let's not, how can I put it? Let's not forget about the big elephant in the room. And we all know what that big elephant is. And I'm going to come back and talk about that big elephant. But before I come back, I'm going to play a staggering clip, news clip. And you're going to see how they rank Jamaica in terms of people fleeing the country, in terms of brain drain and stuff like that. It's like a refugee crisis. Listen to this.
Montego Bay Deputy Mayor Richard Vernon upset a whole lot of Jamaicans when he suggested it's unpatriotic to migrate. The Deputy Mayor said, quote, "Only cowards run away to go to America because they're seeking out opportunity. Opportunities are there overseas, but do not run away and leave your country." Shortly after that, the website, theglobaleconomy.com, ranked Jamaica second out of 177 countries for human flight and brain drain. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, STATIN, reports that over 11,000 Jamaicans migrated in 2019. Imagine the National Stadium completely full. That would be about a third of the people there. The Prime Minister has been appealing to Jamaicans to stay and build the country. PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell had this to say.
I want to tell the deputy mayor down a Montego Bay that if Ma don't come prime minister, I'm going to call me coward, because me and lift up here and left here too. The youth and them, you expect people out here, doctors and nurses and police, to be working less than what a man working on a garbage truck in the state, and when you get up and go where to make life better for your family, you have the nerve to call him coward? You're out of order.
But when should Jamaicans put country above self or self above country? And can you be a patriot while living abroad?
So the big question is, why are people leaving? And we know that's the elephant in the room. Crime and violence. Second, there is no opportunity. I'm not going to say there is no jobs in Jamaica. There are jobs. But the jobs, the wages are low. Minimum wage is under 50 US a week. So 100 US, that's what people are working a week in Jamaica. When they have a power bill at like 40,000, they have to pay rent, they have to buy food, they have to feed their kids, their family, they have to school their kids, put them in proper school. Then when you leave school, you have medial jobs. Like for example, a young man say him finish university and all the job he could get was a data entry clerk, which him sit down in front of a computer and input information in front of a computer like a zombie. Him get the pay and then it goes back into bills. So he had to leave and go to Japan. Now, the mayor of Mobile, I think he's disrespectful for say people are coward. But, like I say, it's kind of ironic because I am advocating Jamaica. And I am putting country first. And me personally, would I die for my country? But the problem that a person like me or say Sir P would face, or anybody, if we're trying to make a change, it's not going to happen because we are not influential enough and the system is not going to allow it. So you have players in the system who's going to look up on people like me as troublemaker, and next thing you know, something happened to us or happened to me. You know, it's really and truly, I think the only way we can fix this unless we have a purge in Jamaica and rebuild from the bottom up and get rid of the colonialism and the monarchy and create a republic where we can have a president and, you know, strengthen the constitution laws and the parish laws and the city laws and, like I said, universal income, free education, stuff like that. So it's gonna be a long work in progress and a long haul, but are the Jamaican people ready for it? I don't think a lot of Jamaican is ready. Majority of Jamaican just want to cut and run and let go and leave that alone and go seek better life for them family abroad because it's just how the system is and it's sad. With that said, you have people living in Jamaica, living lavishly, and they're not affected by the crime and the violence because they are secure in their uptown neighborhoods and their business and the this and the that and the that and the this. So it's a tough one. It's really a tough one, and like I say, with the status quo, we're gonna have people leaving like refugees for the next 10, 20 years. My name is Countryman. Remember to check out the next video. I'm out.